Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and I'm parting out a 1978 Kawasaki C1A police bike. That's mid-year. According to serial number on the frame, it's a C1A. Now, supposedly this wheel will fit mid 77 or mid 78 to 81 KZ1000 police bike. We're selling as shown. The wheel needs restored. I mean, it's a nice wheel. It's not bent, but it needs repainted or anodized, whatever you want to do. I just want to show you it's not bent. It's not all beat up on the rim or anything like that. So here we go. That's a pretty nice wheel. So we're gonna put this up for sale. If there's any interest, give us a call. And thanks for looking at our stuff.